Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is a big day. And the answer is in the economic calendar. So you can see here, this is forexfactory.com and we have CPI and FOMC together. We can see here there will be crazy volatility in the market. At first we will have some volatility because of CPI, and right after that we have FOMC. So market will show some crazy disco moves. So my dear friends, please be careful, especially beginners, new traders with low capital. Try to close down all your US dollar positions just before the news, because my dear friends, you will get plenty of opportunities in the market to make money. So you don't need to gamble, okay, during the news or after the news. Okay, so things will be critical. Okay, and today's CPI will be very important as well. Okay. And if you look at the chart of DXY right now, then you can see that DXY is more or less silence before the storm. And gold market has already shown upside, thinking that there will be a drop on DXY after the news. Okay, if you trade on gold, then you must be knowing it very well that gold is very bullish right now, hoping that DXY will drop. Okay, and DXY right now is standing at 102.07. So before CPI, I think DXY will try its best to maintain or survive above the critical support of 101.90. In case this level fails also, the level of 101.40 should be there. This is the support level of DXY before the news, and I don't think so market will be breaking this level before the news. In case DXY breaks after this news, if you see a big drop on DXY after the news, then we have a support or the last support around 100.83. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, this is the last support on DXY, 100.80. Yeah, sorry, 100.80. This is the last critical support on the chart of DXY. And if you're wondering about resistance before news, then the market structure is not very positive right now. So as a result, things will not be very positive in the next coming hours. Okay, and there is a resistance. Yes, the resistance is around 103.35 to 103.50. This is the resistance. I don't think so market will be hitting the resistance level before the news, because right now you can clearly see that market does not have the strength right now. So market is mostly waiting for the big news. And this is the chart of GBPUSD in front of us, and the market is standing at 1.2436. This is the current market price, and market is slowly entering inside the channel again. If you are a lover, fan of GBPUSD, then you must be knowing it very well that GBPUSD was in the upward channel for the last couple of days. It broke the channel here, but it is inside the channel again after some SL hunting. So before news, listen to me carefully. Before news, if GBPUSD starts falling, observe the volatility of the market. The volatility of the market will play a big role. If the volatility of the market is low, means if you see market coming down with candles like this, small candles, then you can expect the market to take support around 1.2350 to 1.2345. Around this level, you can expect the market to take support. The reason is previous bounce from this area, as well as we have the 100 moving average. So if we combine both the factors, then before news you can definitely expect GBPUSD to take support around this area. But in case during the European session market shows volatility and market breaks this level, then obviously, okay, you should be avoiding buy position. Okay, and your next support will be around 1.2280, this line here. This is the second support on the chart of GBPUSD before news. So before news, if market shows a drop, I'm giving you two levels, 1.2350 and 1.2280. These are the levels you should be looking for buy positions. Okay, and after news, okay, after news, after CPI, after data, if DXY shows upside, if DXY shows upside and there will be and there is a crazy drop, crazy fall on the chart of GBP USD, in that case your ultimate support on the chart of GBP USD is around 1.2250 to 1.2200. Okay, 1.2215 to 1.2200. So these are the two levels on the chart of GBP USD after news. If GBP USD starts falling, you can expect the market to get some support around this area because we have got some good buyers present here. The green line is the 1.2245 level and the red line is the ultimate support, which is the 1.2214 to 1.2220. This is a support zone in the market. So two levels before the news, two levels after the news, and right now you can see that though I'm standing in the Forex time frame, but there is not much volatility. For the last 12 to 16 hours, you can see that market is more or less stagnant. Okay, so do not expect much for the market right now, but still you should be prepared in case any volatility comes to the market. And if the same volatility remains in the market, then I think that this level 1.2350 should work before the news. And one more thing I would like to add here is that I am not going to talk about any resistance level here because, to be honest, market is trading in an upward channel, so I don't see any proper or strong resistance on the chart of GBP USD right now. Yes, we do have a level around 1.2525, 1.2525. Yes, we do have this level, but I don't think so that market will be respecting this level in case a news comes out. Because if we observe the structure of GBP USD here, then you can clearly see the structure of the market is bullish. Market is breaking the previous high and going up. This is a trending market. So in trending markets, the previous highs do not work as a very strong resistance. So as a result, I am not much confident about 1.2525. Before news, if somehow GBP USD close to that level and reverses, then that's a different chapter. But if you see that GBP USD is showing big recovery with big massive green candles, then obviously this is not the level to look for a sell position. This, my dear friends, this is a trending market. Trend of the market is towards the upside, so as a result we should be looking for buy positions only. After news, if the trend of the market changes, then that's a different chapter, but as of now the trend of the market is towards the upside, and as we all know, trend is our friend. Do not forget that. Okay. Anyways, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Bye-bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Yes, DXY is giving us a silent uh, treatment, but gold is kind of violent, or gold is crazy right now. And to be honest, on the chart of gold, I do not see any immediate trading opportunities before the news, because the levels that you can clearly see on the chart are quite far away. So according to me, if market shows a downside before news or before CPI, then we have support around, or around 1981 we have a minor support, or we have support around 1978 to 1979. Then we have another support around 1971. These are the three levels on the chart of gold that I can see right now. 1981 was the previous level from where market bounced. Then we have 1978, 79 here, previous support, and then we have the red line, which is the 1971. These are the three levels that should work before news, not after news. Okay, and this, but the market is very bullish right now, and I don't think so the market will be coming down to these levels before news, because if I take you to the hourly time frame, then you can see that on the 1 hour chart the market is standing at the top right now, and this is not the ideal position to take any buy position. And the reason is that your risk to reward ratio will not match. See, no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Eventually market will be coming down. at some point, and when the market is coming down, then you will be in trouble. So as a result, buying and retracement is the best trading strategy that you can follow in this type of market. But sadly, we do not have any immediate retracement level on the chart of gold. So in or indirectly, okay, you can also consider that we do not have any trading opportunity on the chart of gold right now if it does not come for a retracement. Okay. If you are a scalper, if you have the experience of catching a train like this, then that's a different chapter. You can go for it. But according to my analysis, I don't think so that taking a buy position is a good thing to do, because your risk to reward ratio will not match, and taking a buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. And I'm also not recommending taking a buy at the 50 moving average, because market has already taken support. I don't think so market will be respecting the 50 moving average before news. We do have a resistance around 2031. Around 2031 we do have a resistance. But in this type of situation, when bulls are very much powerful, taking a sell at resistance is also kind of scary. After all, we should not forget that trend is one of the most important thing in the market except risk management. Okay, so if you're taking a sell at resistance around 2031, it means that you are going against the trend of the market, which is also not a good thing to do. So this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn. But according to me, okay, right now we do not have any immediate level where we should be taking any position right now. After all, this the main difference between a trader and a gambler is that trader only trades when the opportunity is right. And as a trader, these are the only opportunity that I see on the chart of gold right now. And according to me, that when market is kinda going up, okay, I do not prefer to take a position, because every market has a structure to follow. Okay, and in this type of market, eventually market will be coming down at some point, and I do not want my stop loss to get hit. Okay, because see, this is the 15 minutes time frame. You can see market is right now standing at the top, so obviously this is also not the ideal position to take a buy. And taking a sell, okay, taking a sell, okay, is kind of risky, so I will not be recommending any sell position. If you, in your analysis, okay, if you think that it's a good position to take a sell, then you can go for it. But personally, I will not recommend this, and especially beginners, this is not the ideal market. Okay, you should see, learning to trade, okay, is very very important, but you should also learn when not to trade. This is not the ideal market to trade. So this is it, that's it. Okay, and after news, okay, after news, we do have some levels. Let me show you. We have levels around 1945 and 1934. In case gold shows a big drop, then we have support around 1934 and 1945. These are the two levels where you can expect the market to take support in case gold shows a big drop after news. After news, if this level should not work, this will not work, and we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart of gold as a resistance. We do have a resistance around 2050, but 2050 is a psychological resistance, not a technical resistance. The technical resistance, only technical resistance on the chart of gold is around 2070, where I'll be taking a sell in the future. Okay, I don't think the gold will reach 2070. If it reaches, well and good. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard earned money. CPI and FOMC together. It's a power pack combo. Be careful.